Alright, man, we are back at it, and the backhoe is running awesome now. What happened was, it was actually the return line coming off that main manifold. I had to take the fitting out of that piece of the manifold to get the hose on there so everything would kind of line up. So I got one thread started and then the other thread started, and then I tightened up the hose without tightening up the fitting. I tried to tighten up the fitting, but it was locked by the hose on there. So anyways, that's how that goes. But it's good. We're going to dig up some stumps. I'm still trying to make this hole for the septic, and I've got to get through these stumps right here in order to do that. So let's see how the backhoe is going to be at digging up some stumps. Oh, one other thing, the relief valves on each of those individual spool bodies, I set those at about 1.5 turns out for the pressure relief. Since I'm not going to pressure test each one, I guess I could at some point and show you how to do that, but just quick and dirty, 1.5 turns out. We'll see if it works. Let's do it. Man, it's amazing how big some of these root systems are on these trees. This one was really unassuming, like a 12-inch stump. And I mean, it gets fatter, wider, and just huge underneath of it here. And this is going to be the sweet gum root system. And you've seen how big some of those get. I mean, just huge runners off the side. Man, that one was a chore. I think I'm going to have to adjust some of those relief valves because when I'm rotating the bucket or curling the bucket, it's actually one of the other cylinders is bleeding off. So I need to increase the pressure, I guess, a little bit. Let's try digging up a few more.
not budging. If you're ever wondering why high stump, it's a whole lot easier to get that leverage on the top with the bucket. But let's, I don't know, we'll keep playing around with it, I guess.
Now that's a new tire. Damn it. what that looks like on camera, but I'm like 6-7 feet deep here. Not budging. Smokes. Can you believe how big this thing is? Man, well, that goes to show you the backhoe hydraulics are definitely working. I adjusted one of the relief valves for the boom. Made that one about half a turn tighter. I probably could have got away with like one turn out on each one of them, but I just wanted to be safe. Machine's running awesome. Building's going up over here. So future videos is going to be that right there, flat tire. Ran over a little stump, punctured the tire like right, not even in the sidewall, like right through the tread. And the stump was maybe that big around, and it didn't even have like a sharp angle. It was pretty much flat, and I saw it, and I was just thinking, you know, it stuck up above the ground maybe that much, just right through the tire. So that'll be an upcoming video. I'm going to take care of the rest of this with the track excavator, move this out of the way, get this hole filled in, because that's right where the backhoe has to be to dig the septic. So that'll be an upcoming video as well, how to dig a septic, or the way I'm going to dig a septic. One good thing I'm seeing here, like I've got 6-7 feet of loam and sand before I get to clay, so it looks like this will all be fine. For a leach field, of course, I'll have inspectors come out, check the soil, do a soil sample for adequate leach field, and then go to digging the septic. So that's all part of the process. If you guys want to see that, subscribe to my channel, and it'll be upcoming. All right, that's going to do it. Get out there, have you some man time too.